From the following information relating to the financial and the cost records of a new business, pass the necessary entries in the cost journal. So they have given us the certain information and they are asking us to prepare a journal entries, but in which journal? Cost journal. So obviously इससे आप identify कर लोगे कि ये कौन सा system है. Cost journal बनाना है तो non-integrated system. Now, this was a question which was been asked in the April 2019 examination for a 10 marks. First one is purchase of material 45,000. So if the material is purchased, what will be the journal entry? Store ledger control account debit to general ledger control account or general ledger adjustment account also you can write it down, or cost control accounts भी लिख सकते हो. Cost ledger control account. ओके, एनी ऑफ द नेम विल डू. हम क्या करेंगे, हम पढ़ेंगे साथ साथ में पोस्टिंग भी करते जाएंगे. सो प्रिपेयर अ फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ जर्नल, गिव द हेडिंग कॉस्ट जर्नल, serial number, particulars, debit rupees, credit rupees. First one, store ledger control account debit to cost ledger control account. Ledger account debit to cost ledger control account. $45,000. In material purchased. Is direct labor charges. Direct labor है हाँ, मतलब which account? Obviously WIP account. So WIP ledger control account debit and it is been paid. तो cash के बदले में हम क्या लिखेंगे? To cost ledger control account. So second entry, WIP ledger control account debit to cost ledger control account. $42,000. Wages paid. Is offered factory overheads incurred. Incurred, I told you, it is nothing but it is paid. आपने incurred किया, आपने खर्चा किया. So factory overheads incurred. What will be the entry? fact production overheads or factory overheads account debit, both the names are same. Factory overheads लिखो या तो production overheads लिखो. 2 cost ledger control account. Write it down. Production overheads. Account debit. 2 cost ledger control account. 1,80,000. Production overheads incurred. Next, now fourth one. Material issued to production. हमने प्रोडक्शन को इश्यूड किया है. कहां पर इश्यू हुआ है? प्रोडक्शन. प्रोडक्शन मीन्स विच ऑब्वियसली WIP. मटेरियल, डायरेक्ट मटेरियल कहां पर होता है? प्रोडक्शन में, मतलब WIP. So WIP ledger control account debit and material is issued. So material stores account में credit side will be recorded. So journal entry will be WIP store ledger control account, WIP ledger control account debit to store ledger control account. $4,25,000. Issued to production. इनडायरेक्ट वेजेस अलॉटेड. हमने इनडायरेक्ट वेजेस को अलॉट किया. इनडायरेक्ट वेजेस कहां पर होता है? फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स अकाउंट में. सो फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू wages control account. So either you can write down factory overheads or you can write down production overheads. So factory or production overheads control account debit. Wages control account. In indirect wages allocated.